Pinata? Food? Games? This is a party! It's a party! Oh, sweet! What's the special occasion, Hal?
Today is Mr. Chewinski's and my 3-year anniversary as dog and toy.
Oh, wow! Congratulations, you two!
Thanks! I even invited all of Mr. Chewinski's friends. There's good old Senor Squeaky Shoe, Harold the Flying Disc, Sheldon, sweet, simple, round Sheldon, Julia Roberts, Inspector Chuso, and of course, Crazy Bob Chewhart. Bob, you are the life of the party.
Whoa! Has it really been 3 years, Hal?
Yep, 3 years since that special day. I'm remembering it as we dissolve to flashback. I was digging a hole. It was one of my 7 best, if I recall. When out of the ocean came Mr. Chewinski. I didn't know how he got there or where he came from, but I knew we would be best friends forever. Woohoo!
3 cheers for Mr. Chewinski! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Will you keep it down over there?
Ronald.
Yeah.
Hey, Ronald, you want to come to Mr. Chewinski's and my anniversary party?
Of course I do not. I'm busy getting some much-needed relaxation. Now, leave me alone, and please keep the noise level down. Thank you.
Well, we certainly don't need Ronald to party. Yeah, let's celebrate Hal and Mr. Chewinski.
Woo! And I feel a song coming on. Maestro.
Let's hear it for Chewinski, the toy that makes me sing ski. He's better than string, he's better than a ring, he's better than anything ski.
Chewinski, Chewinski.
Let's hear it for Chewinski and his squeaky silly ways. He makes me laugh, he makes me smile, we can play for days.
Chewinski, Chewinski.
Let's hear it for Chewinski in his dapper tie and hat. He's the fanciest friend of nature, there's no arguing that. Let's hear it for Chewinski, who makes every day the best. You couldn't find a better toy in the north, south, east, or west.
Chewinski, Chewinski.
Let's hear it for Chewinski, the wind beneath my wing ski. When it comes to chew toys, you know you are the king ski. Let's hear it for Chewinski and dance and celebrate. We've been together 3 whole years and each one has been great.
Chewinski, Chewinski.
I love you, Mr. Chewinski. I will never, ever let anything bad happen to you.
May I hold him, Hal?
Sure you can, Nature Cat, no sweat. What could happen?
Now let's give those 3 cheers for Mr. Chewinski. Hip hip! We can get him down from there.
Oh, I'll get you, Mr. Chewinski.
And I'll save you too. Oh, dear, oh, me.
When it rains like it did last night, extra water flows in here.
But where does it go? Somewhere to get cleaned, I hope?
Ugh, I hope so. Looks like all kinds of nasty stuff's going down there. A rugby's bad. No! No plastic!
But Mr. Chewinski is in there too.
Oh no, this is all my fault. I am so sorry, Hal. And I vow to you, I will get Mr. Chewinski back.
Nature Cat, how? We don't even know where he is. Actually...
We'll fish Mr. Chewinski out of the storm drain with a... Not this. We'll fish him out with a... Not this. We will get him out with a... Okay, not this either. Hey! I can't find anything to help Mr. Chewinski.
Nature Cat, listen. I put trackers on all of Hal's chew toys for situations just like this.
You did? You go, Daisy.
Hal, you have to admit you do lose the chew toys a lot.
That's not fair. I've only lost 11. Oh, wait, it might be 12. That might be 13. That might be 15. I don't know.
Houston!
Houston, at your service, ma'am.
Houston, we have a problem. We need to run a full-scale tracker on Mr. Chewinski, please.
Roger that, ma'am. Tracking Mr. Chewinski. Found Mr. Chewinski. Syncing Mr. Chewinski's frequency beeps to your phone, ma'am.
Sweet! Thanks, Houston.
Happy to be of assistance, ma'am.
Now we can follow Mr. Chewinski's signal on my smartphone and find out where the storm drain leads.
Brilliant! 3 cheers for Daisy! Hip,
Too
hip.
soon, Nature Cat. Too soon, buddy.
Right. Because of Chewinski. My bad.
Mr. Chewinski is heading underground that way. Let's go!
Onward and let's save Chewinski word!
Ronald! Ronald! You're rolling down the sidewalk, Ronald! Take out your headphones, Ronald! I tried. He's turning up there! That way! Sorry, coming. Wait! What? The storm drain empties here? And all the nasty water and plastic bags and gross garbage and all that stuff goes right into the river?
Ew! Why, this water hasn't even been cleaned up at all!
Gotcha! Rudsies! It's always Rudsies. Take that trash! Viva la nature!
Agreed!
Where's Mr. Chewinski? I don't see him anywhere.
Don't you worry, Hal. I guarantee to catch Mr. Chewinski when he comes out of this drain. There's absolutely no way I will miss him.
Oh, thank you, Nature Cat. You always come up with the best plans.
Stay frosty, ma'am. Mr. Chewinski should be there in 5.